In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sales statistics on Clickbank Marketplace. While Clickbank doesn't show exact sales numbers for each product, it does provide performance indicators that tell you how actively a product is selling and how well it converts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to interpret those numbers so you can choose offers with confidence. Start by heading to the Clickbank Marketplace at clickbank.com Marketplace and sign into your account. Logging in ensures you see the most accurate information and can access any tools the vendor provides. Once you're in, choose how you want to explore. You can browse by category, like health or money, if you're still narrowing your niche, or use the search bar to type a keyword when you already know the type of offer you want. When you see product listings, focus on the key sales stats displayed right on the card. The most important one is gravity. Gravity reflects how many different affiliates have made recent sales with that product. It's the closest indicator of current sales activity on the platform. As a quick guide, a gravity of 50 or more suggests very active sales, 20 to 50 indicates a healthy flow, 10 to 20 is moderate, and below 10 often points to weaker demand. Higher gravity generally means more affiliates are currently succeeding, which can signal a proven market, though it may also imply more competition. Always consider the niche and your traffic source when weighing that trade-off. Next, check AVG/conversion, sometimes labeled as EPC. This is the average amount earned per click or per conversion, depending on how the vendor reports it. A higher number typically suggests a stronger funnel and better average earnings for affiliates. Then look at initial launch sale. This shows what you can expect to earn from the first purchase alone and does not include upsells. It helps you understand immediate earnings potential if your audience tends to make one-time purchases. If the listing shows recurring stats, pay close attention. Recurring commissions mean there's a subscription or rebill, which can provide more stable, long-term income if customers stay subscribed. This is especially valuable in niches where retention is strong. For deeper insight, click into the products page. Here you'll often see the funnel structure, including upsells and downsells, which can lift average earnings. You may also find affiliate tools, promotional materials like email swipes and banners, and vendor support information. Reviewing these resources helps you gauge professionalism and how easy it will be to promote effectively.